Hello, hello. We are here at TJ Maxx looking at their Halloween stuff. Decided because they had music playing in the store, I would do a voiceover. But yeah, they had a very small area designated for Halloween items. But I think that there will be expanding that area probably in the next few weeks, I would guess, when we get a little closer to the holiday. But as you see here, they've got plenty of like really cute. A lot of this stuff, I believe, is made of plastics. But as you see, some of it is cloth. Those were really cute. The little ghost couple. $13 I thought was pretty fair for that. Not terrible. I'm trying to, where I can, show y'all everything that they had. Like I said, they do have somewhat of an okay starter selection. I really like them too. Frankenstein's monster and his bride. Very, very cute. Very fun. I like that I'm seeing pink this Halloween. Oftentimes you don't see pink in Halloween items, but it's nice to see that they're, diversifying with the color palette and such. Not, not keeping it just with the standard traditional. Mix it up. That is adorable. Gather around, sisters. Good times, good times. Let me know if you're a fan of the sisters. I'm a big fan of the sisters. And trying to figure out what to film. There's people walking through, so I'm trying not to film the people. Now, with the animated stuff that I looked at, some of the animated stuff worked, some of it did not. I wanted to show you that, but I could not get a good eye on it from the shadow. So I set it on the floor. Still so dark, it's really hard to see the detail. And it had great detail. I probably should have had Lisa shine a light on it. There you can kind of see. Very, very cute. But as again, I probably should have had Lisa shine her light on it or something so I could show it off a little bit better. Plenty of decorations for, your mantle or just around the house. Some candles, some drinkware. Here's some little candles that I don't think belonged in this section, but they were there. So, of course, you're always going to see things that are throwbacks to old Halloween or old scary movies. And of course, Jack and Sally, they're always going to be present if there's Halloween stuff around. I like this. This, I think, would be one of my favorite items I saw. I like it a lot. I like that the bones are all labeled, and I don't know, I just thought it was a really cool skull. And the witch's boots, I thought that was really cute too. I think that's like a planter or something you could put flowers in or whatever's. And then, of course, lots of little, more on the softer side of Halloween, the cutesy Halloween stuff. Which and there's more pink. Look at the cute pink. I love the pink ghosts. That's adorable. Um, I'm okay with the cutesy Halloween decorations. It doesn't have to be like serious, scary, gory, epic. Not for me. It can just be, oh look, it's cute. Oh look, it ties in somehow with the season of the year, and for me that's what I need. And I do love me a good globe. But look at these things. Aren't these cute? So cute. I can't help myself. And they're also very cute. Wife was like, you have to see this. But I'm a globe turner. I can't help myself. When I see one, I want to see it in action. Those are all very cute. I think the favorite globe of mine was the little skeleton in the spaceship. It's very cute, very funny. Now you can see another pink pumpkin right there. It's like a soft pink. I really like seeing a variety of colors popping into Halloween decor. It makes me happy. I'm a very rainbowish style person. I like a lot of colors, and I think most holidays are too restrictive with their color palettes. So I say, bring the colors. I want to see them all. If you saw something that you liked, feel free to go by your local TJ Maxx, and hopefully they'll have what you're looking for. Hopefully you enjoyed our little walkthrough here. And as I said, this is just their preliminary beginnings of Halloween. They will definitely have more. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.